Your team spends days reformatting files for every distributor. Meanwhile, outdated pricing and incorrect specs sit on partner sites, and somehow it's your problem to fix. How do you get trusted data to every partner without all the manual work? The answer? Part Data Syndication, powered by Orbweaver FORGE. Your data goes straight from source to partner. No one in the middle to break it. Pricing is current, specs are accurate, images match. Weeks become hours, and you don't have to change how you work. Your PIM, your ERP, your catalog, they stay exactly where they are. Forge fits around them, and the data just starts flowing. Onboarding a new partner used to mean weeks of custom file mapping. Now, add a distributor, define the rules, and they're live. Scale across your entire partner network without scaling your team. This is distribution infrastructure, not another manual export, not another reformatted spreadsheet. Infrastructure. See Forge's Part Data Syndication in action today. Book a demo at orbweaver.com/forge.